Hi, it's Gloria. I know I haven't seen you in a while. The thing is, I quit social media, but not on purpose. To explain this, let's go back to the beginning. May the 2nd, 2024. It was my birthday. 1 year older, but I felt stuck in the same place. Every day, I wake up at 8:37 a.m. I brush my teeth, drink some water, and do the same lame-ass exercise after being injured for almost a year. I grab a croissant and jump into work, aka do the same capsule wardrobe videos for 4 years. Welcome back to another episode of the Capsule Wardrobe. In short, I felt uninspired. Something's gotta change. So, back to my birthday. That day, I made a decision that would literally change my life. I signed up for a filmmaking course.
Hi, Gloria. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Joanna. Nice to meet you.
I saw that you applied to VMA on your birthday. Who signs up for a filmmaking course on their birthday?
Well, it's now or never. For the next month, I gathered my gear and said goodbye on social media. June the 3rd, 2024. The filmmaking course officially started. I felt like I suddenly got a new zest for life. In order to make the best use of my time, I wake up early, between 7 to 7:30 a.m. Then I immediately do meditation, which helps me keep a clear and focused mind. After the meditation, I hit the gym and do a workout, a real one. I figured it's time to get back my strength, because I will need that strength to operate my camera gear and be able to fight off any criminals trying to steal my gear. The things you do for videos. Over the course of a few months, I have learned how to actually use my camera, what lenses do, different shot sizes, different shot angles, how to use a gimbal, how to move the camera, how lighting works, how to properly edit, how to color grade, and so much more. And since I can't film myself while operating the gimbal myself, this just doesn't happen in real life. And that's when Jesse comes in. Before Jesse met me, he had never operated a camera before.
If you put me from 10 years ago in this exact moment, I would be so confused. How did I end up here? Why do I have a camera in my hand?
And now, he's helping me film pro-level shit in his spare time. Okay, you might wonder, since I've been filming videos, how come I haven't posted anything? The easy answer is I've been very busy with the course. The hard answer is I haven't figured everything out. I feel like I've shed the old layers, and the new layers haven't formed yet. But for the first time, I feel okay with it. You see, change takes time. Sometimes we're afraid of change because we don't know what the future holds. If we don't change, at least we can predict how it's gonna go. And that's how you get stuck. I've been wanting to learn filmmaking for a while, but I never took action because I was afraid of change. What if I don't like it? What if I have to stop posting for a while? Well, all I know is I freaking love it. And the fact that you're watching this video means it's okay to step back in order to learn and grow. For the longest time, I lived life the other way around. My entire life revolved around creating content. But when I live life for the content, I stop living life. And when I stop living life, my content suffers. In the time I was away, I spent time in nature, read a few books, worked out consistently, nourished my body with healthy food, reconnected with my friends, and really focused on improving my work. Although I didn't know it at the time, by stepping away from social media, I achieved the biggest breakthrough in making a real change in my life. I guess the life lesson through this is touch grass.